welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not going to be a long one, but you guys love these renovation videos and update videos, and that's what that's gonna be today. I wanna show you what so this room used to be a mud room slash was the washer and dryer room, and we decided to make this entire space into a closet slash master bathroom because there was only one bathroom in this space. And just to keep you up to date, maybe you didn't hear me the last time, this home, we're only gonna be here for 2 years and we plan on Airbnb-ing this house. So decorating, everything's gonna stay here, if you will. But yeah, that's what this home is intended to be. This is what I want to do. I want to own multiple properties, and the location of this home is perfect for an Airbnb. It's close to some things and it's just a really great location. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that, and I will probably have a video on the bottom showing you what it looked like before, or I'll show you that first before I enter you into this bathroom. But you guys, it's night and day difference. So enough talking, let's get into this room.
All right, so this is what the room used to look like. That was the old back door, and now you'll see there's two, one leading to the bedroom. On this right side used to be the washer and dryer. Now there's like a beautiful shower. It's just, it's so night and day. We also added a window above that door that used to be there right here. And on the left, that is where I added a closet.
So this is the door leading into the bathroom. And this is what it looks like when you open her up. Oh my gosh, look at this space. Oh, it's like white, heavenly clean. Disregard that. I'm gonna get like a cute little like caddy or whatever basket to put that in. And we also have storage down here, which I just thought was such a clever idea. This is actually just a cabinet that was already pre-built, but he built it into this shower. So this is what the flooring looks like in here. And this is essentially what the bathroom looks like. We got the glass put in, and it is a, what is it? Rain shower. You guys, it's freaking epic. Let me see if I can do this without getting wet. But how awesome is that? It's so nice. I have a place to shave my legs. It's like a nice area. I thought it was gonna be way too small, to be honest with you, but it is not. It is actually really spacious in there. And this little squeegee is bombski. We got it from Amazon. And yeah, that is what the shower looks like. It has that floor detailing. It's a little bit dirty because I still need to get in there and scrub. Like there's still leftover grout. It's been chilling like this without the glass, not being able to use the water for like weeks. So now that water is actually allowed to run in there, I can, you know, get to town scrubbing. And that's what the bathroom looks like. This is the sink, which we got this, I wanna say from Overstock. They're soft close drawers, and I still need to get little organizers to put inside there, so if you have suggestions. And also, we had one much better mirror option than this. There were 3 different mirrors and they open like this. Oh, let me close this, my kitchen is a mess. But they broke. They broke, and we didn't realize that they were broken because we had ordered them, kept them in the box. We didn't take them all the way out of the box. So note to self, if you order something, open it all the way, because you just never know which corner is broken. And I want to show you guys the mirror. Don't judge me, the inside of it is messy, but I thought that was cool, the way that that opens. And this is bigger than a traditional medicine cabinet. Like, it's really high up, if you will. So you can fit like big ass bottles back there. And I just thought that was cool instead of the, you know, traditional medicine cabinet. And this right here is the floor heating. So this area right here, under the mat, it's like actually super, super warm and not cold. So it's not like, I mean, that's so stupid. Like, who cares if your floor is a little cold when you get out of the shower? But it wasn't that much more in cost to add that. So I thought that was cool. And yeah, that's the bathroom. And this area right here was all open, if you don't remember, and that's actually where my closet is in my bedroom. And this door leads to the bedroom, and this door is actually my backyard. I know what you're thinking. You're like, why the hell do you have a door from your bathroom? We need access to the back door because we have a large backyard for the dogs, and Unfortunately, that was the best place for it, but it doesn't bother me, to be honest. And yeah, a little hook right here to put my robe. And yeah, love it. Oh, look at this. It's just the little things. It's so funny, the things you love when you're an adult. This toilet paper dispenser. Why did I say it like that? It just lifts up like that, which I thought was so cool. And yeah, found that online. Everything, of course, you find online. I will link down below where we found like this towel holder. It's like square and sleek. Everything is square, if you see, you know what I mean? I try to keep with the theme. But yeah, that is the bathroom. I hope you guys love it. I really want to put like some things on the wall. I want to put a towel rack here. I really want to add some color in here, but absolutely in love. If you guys could see the bathroom, the kids' bathroom is next. The other bathroom we are going to renovate next. It's like a black dungeon when you go in there. It's just like really dated. This house is really old, from like the 40s, so yeah. And yes, that window we are going to get, what is it, tinted. Oh, and also this little skylight window that we added. I love natural lighting, but that's the bathroom. Love the floors, love that. This is just, oh. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in another home reno update. Love you guys.